Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I am Eve.
Eve, how is it going?
Pretty good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm great.
What's your name?
I'm Tam. Nice to meet you, Eve.
It's good to meet you too, Tam.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
I see. Which part of Canada are you from?
I'm from Quebec City. Where are you from, Tam?
I am from Boston.
You know, Tam, you and me are in the same chemistry class this semester.
Oh, really? You and me are the students of same class. That's really interesting.
Yes, it is. It's very interesting. And the teacher is really good. Tam, what is something you want to buy?
I want to buy a car. On that I travel.
What kind of person do you want to marry?
Someone who is able to cheer me up when I am upset. Someone who is fun and funny, loving and warm. Listen, I am on my way to the cafeteria now. I have about 20 minutes before my English class starts. Are you free?
Sure. Let's go to get some coffee.
Sounds great.
Okay, let's go.